Hello, welcome to episode 2 of Adobe Fireworks Tutorials. Today I will show you about how to make a logo. I'm going to make my logo about my YouTube channel, Adobe Fireworks Tutorials. So, I'm going to set the width 2048, that's correct, the height 1152, and the revolution, which is 72. So on that I'm now going to click OK. So that is it, done. So anyway, I'm going to go onto the Eclipse tool. Yeah, like that. So then I'm going to go on the pen tool here, and I'm going to click on yellow, and I'm going to move that to about 20. And I'm going to go into basic, and you click on outline. So there. So then, now I'm going to go into the text tool. Go on the text tool, just put it around the middle, and A for Adobe. I'm going to do something here. And I'm going to go into styles and click on that. How I did it last time. Then I'm going to go into text again. I go if, can't see it, but done that. I'm going to get to a capital letter. And now I'm going to go into text tool again. And I'm going to put a T. Do that. And click on the Creative tool here. And go into the pointer tool. And scroll it across. Now I'm going to go on a new font type. Arial. Like Arial. Go into Arial and on these. Arial. Now I'm going to change it a bit low, the font size, to about 50. I'm going to change that to 50 as well. And I'm going to change this to 50 as well. So that is my YouTube logo. So A is for Adobe, F for Fireworks, and T for Tutorials. So now I'm going to save it. That is actually done. So you go on File, then Save As. Now I'm going to save this to Adobe Fireworks Tutorials logo. And then I'm going to click on to Save. And done. Now I'm on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to click on here, edit on Google, select a photo from my computer, my documents, what did I say that as? Adobe Fireworks Tutorials logo. I'm going to say it again. Save as, it's on downloads. I'm going to say it. So you click on select a photo from your computer, my documents, and there it is. So click on that and then click on open. Wait until it uploads. So it will upload for me. Please upload. Yeah. So drag that across. A bit like that. And that. I'll move it here. So I'm going to click on set as profile photo. Hopefully this will load. Just wait till that loads. Yeah, done it. I've got my own YouTube profile picture as my own logo now. That is it for episode 2 of Adobe Fireworks Tutorials, a very quick one today. So come back for episode 3 next time, and I might show you about how to make your own desktop for your background. I'm going to make it on next episode 3. I will show you how to make a desktop background, but next time I will show it on my YouTube channel, and I will show you how to do it like Adobe Fireworks. So that's it. Hope you enjoy, and please subscribe me. Thank you very much.